Hey y'all, it's your girl Shantae. I know it's been a while, but I'm here with a head wrap tutorial. All you need is a hair tie and a scarf of your choice. For this style, you're going to put your hair in a high ponytail, fold your scarf in half, and place it behind your head. At the front of your head, cross the two ends, then cross it again at the back of your head. Lastly, twist and tuck the end pieces. This next one is super easy and simple. You pretty much follow the steps for the first style and move all your hair to the left or right side. To rock style number 3, you need to put your hair in a high bun, place the scarf behind your head, at the front of your head, cross the two ends twice, twist both ends, and cross it behind your head. Then twist and tuck the ends. Style number 4 is inspired by Rihanna. Before creating a bun, pull aside 2 pieces of hair. Once your hair is in a bun, place the scarf behind your head. Make 2 knots. Twist both ends, then tuck them, and you're all good. For this cute style, place your hair in a low ponytail. Pull 2 pieces of hair from the front. Place the head wrap on the top of your head. Wrap and tie it under your ponytail. Twist one end and wrap it around the ponytail, then tuck it. Repeat those steps for the other end. And you're ready to go. Style number 6 is another easy one. First, you will part your hair in the middle. Place the head wrap on the top of your head. Tie it once. Twist both ends of the scarf. I prefer to do one side at a time so I can, twist evenly and things like that, but it's really up to you. After twisting the ends, wrap it around your head. Make sure to twist and tuck the ends. And you're all set. Thank you so much for watching.